Howrah Railway Station. Howrah Railway Station, also known as Howrah Junction or informally as Howrah Station. Bengali Howrah Junction is a railway station in Howrah, West Bengal, India. It is the largest and busiest railway complex in India, as well as one of the busiest in the world and major train stations. It is the oldest railway station complex in India. Howrah is one of the 6 intercity train stations serving the Kolkata metropolitan area, including Howrah and its twin city Kolkata. The other being Shialda, Danskundi, Satragachi, Shalimar and Kolkata railway stations. The first public train from the station was on 15th August 1854 on what is now the Howrah-Hubli main line. Currently, about 600 passenger trains pass through the station, serving more than 1 million passengers a day. Using 23 platforms, the station handles a total of 252 mail and express daily, operate trains and 500 suburban EMUs. 10 platforms are long enough for trains with more than 24 coaches. Goods and parcel trains also originate and terminate here. The Howrah-Bardhaman main line is the busiest line connecting this station. In 1849, an agreement was signed between the East Indian Railway Company and the East Indian Company, and an initial sum was allocated for the first section between Howrah and Raniganj via Pandua and Bardhaman. Frederick Walter Sims, consulting engineer to the Government of India, initially planned a station to the right of Hooghly in 1846. But after approval of funds, Howrah was chosen as the terminus location for the new line. A bridge over the Hooghly River spanning 1,700 feet, that is 520 meters, in the corresponding section was defunct at the time. In the following years, the question of railway connecting with Calcutta was frequently discussed. On 17th June 1851, George Turnbull, chief engineer of the East Indian Railway Company, and his team of engineers submitted plans for a railway station at Howrah. Not realizing the future importance of railways in the country, the government authorities decided in January 1852 not to purchase the land and expensive water front required for the project. Turnbull then produced alternative development plans that cost approx. 2,50,000 rupees. In October 1852, 4 tenders were received for the construction of the station. They varied from 1,90,000 to 2,74,526 rupees. The size of the construction project, whether Howrah should be a large station or Howrah a small station, in favor of building a larger station at other times. It was genuinely a debate from time to time during the process. Eventually, the land was purchased. On 18th June 1853, the first experimental locomotive left Howrah for Pandua and traveled 37.5 miles. There was a gap between laying the line and its opening, as the ship carrying the cars sank in Australia while the locomotive was finished. Eventually, the cars were built locally and the locomotive was sent to Calcutta in 1854. 15th August 1854 is the first public departure of Hooghly, 23.5 miles from Howrah. During this period, the station was located in what is now the office of the Divisional Railway Manager at Howrah. It consists of a line and a platform, a ticket window, and an auxiliary building. The Pandua line was opened 2 weeks later. In the first 4 months, more than 1,09,000 passengers used the service. The growing population and growing economy in the regions around Howrah and Kolkata are increasing the demand for railway travel. Also, the rail network continued to grow, such as the bridge over the Rupnarayan River at Kolaghat, 19th April 1900, and connected Howrah to Kharagpur. Bengal Nagpur Railway was extended to Howrah in 1900. Howrah was made an important railway center. So in 1901, a new station building was proposed. British architect Hasley Ricardo designed the new station. It opened to the public on 1st December 1905 and was completed in 1911. In the year 1980, the station was expanded to 15 platforms. At the same time, a new Yatri Niwas, that is the transit passengers facility, was built south of the front of the main station. The new terminal complex was completed in 1992, creating a total of 19 platforms. In 2009, it expanded by 4 more platforms. On 3rd March 1969, the inaugural Rajdhani Express left Howrah for New Delhi. In October 2011, India's first double-decker train, Howrah-Dhanbad Double-Decker Express, Howrah left for the purpose of paddy cultivation. The first service of the Antodhaya Express, the Howrah-Ernakulam Antodhaya Express, was inaugurated in February 2017. According to Indian Green Building Council, it became the first green railway station among metropolitan cities in India to receive CII IGBC Silver rating. The book Vibrant Edifices of the Eastern Railway, the saga of Howrah Station, was published in 2005. It was written to celebrate centenary of the building.